YouTube title: Want to work in Canada? 3 hilariously simple steps to land your dream job, even if you're clueless. Comments section: Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada's Smart Mind. Should any questions arise, I encourage them to reach us via our comment section. Moreover, if this content resonates with you and you know someone who could benefit from it, please share this video with them. Be very welcome here. We are going to teach you. I will guide you to learn how to search for a job in 3 steps. This video has the theory, 1 example, and 1 exercise. Menu. 1. Learn how to search for jobs that match your skills. Stop. 2. Write a killer resume and tailored cover letter. Stop. 3. Master the interview and get the job. Stop. Exploring a job in rural Canada. In this video, we dive into the exciting journey of getting a job in rural Canada. Imagine the tranquility, the open spaces, and the unique opportunities found in the countryside. This video will be in English, so it's also the perfect moment to practice your Canadian pronunciation while learning all about finding work in rural areas. Let's take, for instance, Prince Edward County in Ontario, a picturesque, growing community of about 25,000 residents. Known for its vineyards, farms, and tourism, this region is ideal for those seeking work in agriculture, hospitality, or artisanal industries. Imagine yourself living in this quaint environment, away from the hustle and bustle of big cities, while being part of a booming community where growth is steady.
Tell us in the comments below which topics you feel are better for you. And remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe yourself. Now, let's get back to the video.
Steps to job search in rural Canada. 1. Writing a resume and cover letter. The key to standing out is a solid resume and cover letter. When writing a resume, focus on your strengths and experience that directly apply to the job. Keep it clear, concise, and tailored to the role. As for the cover letter, you want to make it personal, showing not only your qualifications, but also your enthusiasm for the opportunity. 2. Resume template example. Resume, name, John Doe, address 123 Rural Road, Prince Edward County, ON. Phone, 555-987-6543. Email, john.doe@email.com. Objective, to secure a role in hospitality management where I can contribute my leadership skills and passion for customer service in a growing tourism-driven community. Experience, front desk manager, Maple Lodge, Prince Edward County, ON. May 2020 present. Supervised a team of front desk staff and ensured smooth daily operations. Implemented customer satisfaction strategies that increased guest ratings by 20%. Handled guest bookings, inquiries, and complaints with professionalism and care. Education. Diploma in Hospitality Management, Seneca College. Graduated June 2019. Skills. Customer service excellence, team leadership and staff training, reservation systems, e.g. Opera. References, available upon request. 3. How to impress the interviewer. Once you've got your resume and cover letter in hand, nailing the interview is your next step. Preparation is key here. Research the company, understand their values, and have some insightful questions ready for them. Show confidence, but also humility, especially when seeking jobs in smaller communities where interpersonal skills and community fit are highly valued. Interview example. If asked, why do you want to work here in a rural area? You might respond, I believe working in Prince Edward County aligns perfectly with my personal and professional goals. I love the sense of community here, and I'm passionate about contributing to the growth of local businesses that make this region unique.
Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity, and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Welcome to Canada's Smart Mind, the premier Canadian school dedicated to helping you achieve your dreams. Whether you are looking to further your education, improve your skills, or advance your career, we are here to support you every step of the way.
We're here to help. If you want our sponsor, Synergy Nexus Innovations, to assist you with daily English and French courses and job searching, we've got you covered. For just $20 stay, you'll have access to flexible courses that fit your lifestyle. The links to our website and Canada Smart Mind School are below in the video description. Don't forget to leave your comments to help us improve, and be sure to like and subscribe. Remember, don't wait for a miracle. The work starts with you.